Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is actually going to be Bath and Body Works haul, y'all. Oh my god, the little critter soaps. I actually end up getting the little critter soaps and I wanted to show them all to you today. I didn't get every one of them just because some of them didn't interest me and I re-smelled them and I just was like, I'm just not into them. But I am going to show you the 5 that I got because it was 5 for $23, plus they had the 20% off, and I think my total came out to $19.92 with tax and everything. So that's out the door. Plus use Ibotta, got cash money and got cash money back for my purchase. So if you're not using Ibotta when you're shopping in stores, what is you doing? The link is below. And if you're ordering online, Rakuten, 1% cash back at Bath and Body Works. So definitely check them out. All the links will be below. I always try to put them almost in every video. I try so hard because I like cashback and I like to go shopping, so I took a little bit out my Ibotta balance so I could get these items because I knew I really wanted them because these little critters are just so cute. So yeah, I got 5. So let's get started. The first one is Winter Citrus Wreath. The little critter on it looks just like this, and this is the top. It says here there's a gentle foaming hand soap, has vitamin E, shea moisture, aloe, and essential oils. What I like about the foams is that the foams get used faster in my house, plus my kids think they're really cool, so it makes them wash their hands more versus the deep cleansing. But the Winter Citrus Wreath in all of these are actually in the deep cleansing hand soap as well. The only thing is you don't get the critters on it. It's just writing in the packaging. So these are just cuter. So they appeal more, in my opinion, to kids and just being cute, and they'll go a lot faster. So I had to make sure I got one of these because I just got the other collection that had Winter Citrus Wreath in it, which was the one that looks like the bark. So I have 2 of these already. So this is my 3rd one. So one of my ones that's in the bark packaging will be going to work. I did get Bright Winter Sky. The rep did tell me that Bright Winter Sky is actually new this year. They have never had this one before. That's what she said. But definitely let me know in the comments below if you've seen this before. But that's what it looks like. And a nice little polar bear on it. I just absolutely love this one. This is going to be so cute in December. And it just says Bright Winter Sky. I'm trying to see if it gives the notes. Okay, yes, the notes are on the side. Dewy apple, sheer jasmine, and fresh bergamot are the scents. And y'all, it smells so good. I absolutely love it. And just to give you the scents on Winter Citrus Wreath is Balsam Wreath, Fresh Citrus, and Forest Breeze. Love it. Next one I got is Fresh Sparkling Snow. This one is so cute. Look at him. He ice skating. Him is so cute. The porcupine, he is ice skating. Sorry guys, that's my water alarm. He is ice skating and him is so cute. And I just think this one is so cute. Plus, I love Fresh Sparkling Snow. It smells amazing. And the notes in it is icy melon, holiday pear, and falling snow. Like, I just gotta open it and smell it again because y'all, I love this one. This is definitely one of my faves, so definitely love this one. There are 2 that I didn't get. I didn't get Frosted Cranberry. It's nothing really special about Frosted Cranberry in my opinion, so I didn't get that one. And I didn't get the Vanilla Chai one because I don't like that one. I know I bought one off the $2 holo, but I got that to go to work. It's not gonna be staying in my collection of my soaps. But I just don't like it. The little critters on both of them were cute. It's just, I don't like that one, okay? But I did get 2 of my favorite out of this new line. Can I talk today? Like, out of this, okay, out of this new line that dropped, I got the Coconut Mint Drop. And look at the penguin. Him so cute. He is so cute. Look at his packaging. Like, how could you not love it? The notes in this is white coconut, iced peppermint, and winter musk. Y'all, coconut mint drop, life. Absolutely life. Like, I don't know, y'all. I might have to stock up on these. These go on sale for $3 and I can use a coupon. It smells so good, y'all. Like, yes, y'all need this. Like, if y'all don't get any of the new ones, get a coconut mint drop. Like, well, of course you gotta get a few of them, but coconut mint drop is my favorite. Then bright winter sky is my second favorite. My third favorite is the fresh sparkling snow. My least favorite, and that's just because I have to pick it like that, is the winter citrus wreath. And the two again that I don't like is the frosted cranberry and the vanilla chai. Like, I can live without those. So yeah, guys, this is it. That's everything I got out of the new winter soaps. I know more soaps are going to be coming. This is their little intro phase, because you know they always have the intro ones that come out first, and then they do a whole nother line. And I'm hoping they do that and they have the cute packaging with the next line that comes out. I'm hoping Land of Sweets does get its own soap, because I know what I said, oh, maybe some soaps will come out, but you know, home fragrance is not soaps. So I'm hoping that changes and they do get some soaps in the Land of Sweets line that's gonna be coming out, because I really want some of them to be in soap form. I'm trying to think what else I wanted to tell you guys. There is a new mailer that's out from Bath and Body Works, where you can get 20% off a purchase, a free item. I think it's $5.50 or $6.50 or something like that, and it's one more coupon that comes in that book. So be on the lookout if you get the coupon books. Like, I haven't gotten the last 2 coupon books. I don't know if they just decided to cut me off again or what, but I've been getting the coupon books, but all of a sudden they stopped again. So I'm going to call Bath and Body Works to see what's going on. And I heard from the store associate that starting next June, the Bath and Body Works reward program is going to be going nationwide. So everybody's going to get a chance that's in the States to get a chance to take part in the rewards program, because I feel so left out because we don't have the rewards program here. And how much I spend at Bath and Body Works, y'all, I'll be racking up on little free rewards, and ooh, you get this extra, ooh, you get this, and ooh, you spend $75, here's a free gift up to $16.50. Y'all, I would rack up, okay? And I'll use all my little Ibotta, use everything, boom boom boom, y'all, I would rack up. So be on the lookout. Next year it's coming for everyone. We're going to have the opportunity to get the rewards program. It should have been out to everyone by now anyway. It's taken a long time, in my opinion, to go nationwide. Like, what's the hold up, Bath and Body Works? But anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. What's your favorite soaps of the new Critter line that just came out? Are you going to buy anything from the line? If you are, definitely let me know, you know, in the comments below. And there's going to be more items that's trickling into stores on the 20th. Is it the 27th? No, it's going to be on Monday. Monday is when a lot of new floor sets are going to go out. They're going to set them up Sunday night, and they're going to be out on Monday. So what are some of the new items that you guys are looking forward to? Definitely let me know in the comments below. And online, if you didn't know, new candles are already dropping, and they're 10 off. The candles are $10 off each candle, so they're $14.50. Plus, you can use your 20% off, so that'll save you a little bit more, because new candles are out too, and a lot of them have the cute little critters as well. So that's all the info I got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.